Good boy. Oh, no, that's all you get. That's all you get. He's breathing on the audio. His whole face is in the car. His whole face is in the car. Oh, my God.
Honey, get him out of it. What do you want me to do? Cow. Excuse me, cow.
How do we get him out?
I got him.
I think his head's stuck.
No, he's okay.
No, his head. Oh.
Candy! That's a good idea. Watch. Oh.